Today I'm doing the timing belt on a 2004 Audi A4. This job was done 2 years ago, about 25 or 26,000 miles ago, at this shop actually. The timing belt, the kit that we used was really good quality. The water pump is the problem. It's a Giba made in Germany. I've had pretty good luck with these in the past, but this one has completely failed. The bearing you can see it's kind of all cocked on there. It was leaking fluid everywhere. It barely turns. It's the pulley is sitting crooked on it because the bearing completely just flopped out. So luckily it didn't throw a belt or anything, and even though it's been 2 years, we're going to warranty this repair. It's not a great timing belt job. I used to do these pretty often, but I haven't done one in a while now. You got to pull the valve covers to lock the cams, and this used to be a pretty normal deal for you know, working on cars, but now I haven't done this in a while. So you loosen up the cam bolts and then retime the engine, and yeah, so it's a little bit of a job, but I would stick with OEM brand for the pump. You'll probably have better luck with it. It's less, you know, higher chances of getting, you know, the full lifespan out of it, 100 and something thousand miles. These ones, even though they're made in Germany, and the Giba and the Hipu and all these different brands, they you're more likely to have something like this happen. So that's all. Thanks for watching.